the Hammer Eggs company. We started off in France. Unfortunately, the father, William, born in 1880, and William Turget, a hard name to crack, William Madison. She was born on the same day of her husband, and she passed away in 1932. And unfortunately, for her loss, we respect her. Unfortunately, the family tradition had gone through the World War 2 times. The son and the father began a company called Ham and Eggs. We had then continued this for the next 10 years or so. And unfortunately, we had gone to the final stage. The father passed away in 1955. Rest in peace for our first founder and manager of our company. This is a declaration and salute for those in this family generation for our respect to this company. We salute, and we hope you have a great day.